Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne with Back to Earth Creations and welcome to this week's shop update, giveaway, and what's new. We're having a Cyber Monday sale this week, so use coupon code CYBER20, like CYBER 2 and 0. No spaces, no punctuation, no capitals or anything like that, and that'll get you 20% off of your order of qualifying items, which, I don't know, the website figures that out. But, we're going to start with our giveaway winner. So to have participated, you'll have want to have left a comment on last week's shop update video that puts your name in the hat for this one, where we go to random comment picker or just commentpicker.com/YouTube, and we put in the URL and then it does it for us. That way it's nice and random. If you live outside of the United States and would like to participate, you can. We just send you digital winnings instead of the physical ones because shipping is quite expensive. So that being said, let's go ahead and get the camera flipped around and see who this week's winner is, which, by the way, we're giving away this dragon eye necklace today, which is just beautiful. So if you are the winner, send us an email to backtoearthcreations@yahoo.com with where you would like for us to ship this to. So good luck. Good luck to everybody. Let's see who won. Okay, so it looks like, well, it says undefined. What does that mean? I don't know. Let's click it and see what happens. So I don't know how many commenters we had this week. I'm going to click it. Oh, it's not working. Let me see what I did wrong. Okay, I think I figured it out. Beep, beep, boop. 78 unique commenters. So good luck, everybody. We're clicking the button. Drum roll. This week's winner is Kim Becker. Congratulations, Kim. You are a winner chicken dinner. And she says, ooh la la, purple. I love it. Congratulations, Kim. If you could send us an email to backtoearthcreations@yahoo.com, almost hit the one tripod with the other tripod, with where you would like for us to send your dragon eye. I keep doing that. That's my microphone that I'm supposed to be using that I keep forgetting to put on to charge. So I'm going to write your name on this one. That way I don't get it mixed up. But yeah, to participate in next week's giveaway, be sure to leave a comment on this video. And good luck. So that's that. I hope all y'all had a fantastic Thanksgiving, if you're into that. We had a lovely Thanksgiving. It was beautiful weather, so I was able to kind of muck about in the garden a little bit, and we went and we ate too much food with some friends. I had some really good pie. Yeah, so it was great. We took a half day off. We worked Thursday morning prepping up for our Cyber Monday stuff. And then, because I'm so tired of Black Friday sale, emails and stuff, that I was like, my gift to y'all this week is to not send you another freaking Black Friday email. So I hope you liked it. But we do shop updates on Monday anyways, so we were like, all right, yeah, let's do this. We'll participate. I would have been sending the email anyways. Let's see what's in the shop update, though, to see, it's just a bunch of stuff. Let's get into it. So let's see. We have a bunch of the beads that I hadn't gotten cleaned in time to get added to last week's shop update. Some of them are very festive in theme. And if you, oh, I love this one. If you guys like our lampwork glass beads and would like to see how they are made and would like to put in requests for what color schemes and textures and different things that we do, check us out over on Kik. It's kick.com/backtoearthcreations. There should be links down in the video description or something. But I really like getting to make our lampwork glass beads in our Saturday live streams because we finally worked out all the camera angles, I think. And it's just, I have a blast. For 6 hours from noon to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, we just make beads. And it's fabulous, you guys, because then I get to, just hang with y'all and stuff and have a really good time. There are pictures of all of these up on the website. We don't have videos this week, just because we were doing quite a few trays. Oh my god, this one might be one of my favorites. I just love it. And then some of them will be like this guy, the mandrel, the bead release on the mandrel broke, so he came out all lumpy and weird, but I still love him. And then we have this ladybug themed one that I really, really like. I wish I remembered what red I'd used for that because it was just perfect. And then we have some more eyeball ones, and then we have some more with like the turquoise and cream. I think this style of bead here might just be my favorite style of bead to make. Like, I'm having so much fun with it. Ooh, and we experimented with making, this is not candy, it's a bead, but we experimented with making stripes for the first time. And I think this one was my first stripey bit, and then I made this one, and then I made, oh, I need to not get them out of order, huh? And then I made this one, and it's all like weird, but I think that would make a super cool spider butt for those of y'all who are into that. And then, oh, we had some requests for the lime green, which is just so nice. So yeah, I'm still having a lot of fun with this, and I think I'm going to start trying to, I don't know, just take it one Torchwork session at a time and see where it takes us. So we have those beads. We have some more over here. We actually had one of the admin of Kik come in and be like, yo, if you're taking color requests, do some greens for Kik. So I did made a, this is the how that one came out. And then this one with the pinks and purple, which is a dusty rose opaque for the core, but I really loved those purples over it. And then we have just a whole mess of different lamp or fused and dichroic glass. Lots of really beautiful shimmers in these ones. So be sure to check out those. And these are for sale at backtoearthcreations.com under our bead shop tab. And then, ooh, I love these ones so much, you guys. Our Smash Puddle Cabs. They're just, I do have a hard time saying bye to some of these because I kind of wanted to hoard it forever, but I can't wait to see what y'all make with it too. Like, that one's so pretty. So there's some more dichro and fused glass. And then, y'all, we are adding just a bunch of jewelry, which is not well displayed right now, but I also want to show you, we are carrying some of our very good friends' leather goods in our shop. I've been teaching him leather working, and he kind of just ramped off on his own and is doing fantastic. His company name is 12 Gauge Leather. He's James. He's our friend who comes in and helps us on Mondays. His daughter was our helper until she went off to college, and now he's filling in for us. And they've been very good friends to us, you know. And it just tickles me pink that he's getting into leatherworking now, because it's like, yee! And these are so sleek, and he does a very different style of leatherworking than I do, because he's very good at being like tidy and concise. Like, this is all hand cut and hand stitched, no sewing machine here. So the stitching on this is going to hold up longer than I will probably, but it's and so we'll have pictures of each of these up on the website. Some of them have the logo, some of them do not. But I just think they're the coolest, and they're perfect for, because in my purse, like, honestly, my wallet has, I almost want to show y'all, but it's got like personal information in it too, but it has the letter that was like, do you like me? That I had Millie carry to Randy, and then like, she brought it back. So it was our Millie mail letter. And I didn't realize I just put it into my wallet so it wouldn't get crumpled up, because I'd found it in my pocket. And then like some bags of tea that I got from a hotel room we stayed in one time, just in case I need some tea. So like, there's all kinds of like weird crap, and like an entire photo album from back when like people would like get pictures printed out. So one of these is really nice to carry my ID and my debit card in. That way I don't have to embarrass myself every time I pull out my wallet in public at the feed store to buy chicken feed, and it looks like I'm just a crazy person. So I got my crazy person wallet, and then I've got my functional wallet. So there's those. Those will be listed up under there'll be a link probably under the jewelry and more, but though I may have it just listed in with the jewelry as well, but there'll be links for all this stuff down in the video description. And so here we have our jewelry. I don't know why I'm zoomed out so far. Let's get this figured out. There we go. But some of our fused glass, wire wrapped. I think this is one of our last owl necklaces from earlier in the year, strung with genuine turquoise and little copper beads and some little turquoise toned glass beads as well. But that's some of our homemade fused glass. I'm really pleased with this guy. I think we did a pretty good job on him. And then, oop, well, these are out of order, but you're out of order. So some more of the labradorite and moss agate, and here we have, this one's so pretty, you guys. And all of our jewelry will be gift boxed, ready to gift. Either on a gift box, or I guess I should say gift wrapped. So whether it's on an earring card or whether it's in a gift box. And I just love this style so much. That's a style we've carried for years, and I still just love it. And then this Oksana style labradorite and opalite wrap that I really enjoyed making. Just on kind of a dainty chain. All of our jewelry is hypoallergenic. Now this one does have bare copper on it, so keep that in mind, but all the rest are stainless steel or enameled, so you don't have to worry about it turning your skin green. And then this beautiful carnelian piece with these blue faceted crystals in between. No, this is red agate. My bad, I'm sorry. But it's still beautiful. And then we've got a bunch of bracelets, and all of this stuff will be listed up on our jewelry page. And you can let us know if you have a specific length that you would like for the necklaces or the bracelets. And then all of our pendants here will have a chain on them and will be gift wrapped as well. And so, oh, this little owl, oh, he's so cute. The amethyst. Oh, and then another one of our fused glass. I really like that one. I prefer doing the turquoise toned chips on the vanilla opal base, or vanilla almond base. Oh my gosh, look at the flash in this lab though, y'all. So yeah, just keep an eye out on the website. We may be adding some more items. It's just a mess. Later in the week, as we're going to be continually working on things and getting things uploaded to the website. And then things that have not made it to the website yet, but will soon, will be these guys, who are going to be up on the website by the time their tutorial comes out, which this Thursday is our marquee wrap, wire wrapped ring tutorial. So we'll have these ones up for sale. And then after that, another one of our tutorials that we'll be having. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty with the blue of the computer screen coming through it. But I need to get the rest, like I want to make the beaded part of these necklaces. So these guys will be going up for sale on the website as well. But I want to do the tutorial on this design first, because I feel like it's still evolving and I'm really, really enjoying it. And it's so nice to be back to not to be like, I didn't think I'd ever wire wrap like this again after hurting my hand, but I didn't think I'd be wire wrapping like this again this soon after hurting my hand, like still within, I guess, year one of getting injured. So that being said, that's all we've got this week. Now, let's see. So we have this week's shop update on Monday. Tuesday we'll be streaming from noon to 6 over on Kick. Same on Wednesday. There's no telling yet what exactly it is we're going to be working on. I may be sculpting, I may be making more jewelry, we may be recording another tutorial or something like that. So stay tuned to find out for that. Thursday we will have our marquee wrapped wire wrapped ring. And then Friday, we'll be having another live stream here on YouTube from 2 to 7 p.m. Central Time. And then Saturday, we'll be live streaming on Kick again, our lampwork glass. That way I can get some more glass made. So I really look forward to seeing y'all there. Sign up for our free newsletter at backtoearthcreations.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or send us an email at backtoearthcreations@yahoo.com, and we'll do our best to get back to you. And I think that's everything, you guys. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and until next time, happy crafting. Bye.